Hello, everyone. It's Michelle coming to you from my home. I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe and really enjoying this extra time with their families. And we cannot wait for the day where we're all back at Loretta, just shopping away. But if you're like me and you're itching to get your hands on some new spring fashion, have no fear because Loretta has you covered this week. So let me explain what we're doing. Loretta is offering curated custom boxes for you guys that you can pick up curbside at Loretta. So what we want you to do is, if you've been eyeing a certain piece at Loretta or your wardrobe is missing something, and there's just maybe that fun little fashion that you've been wanting to try, all you have to do is call us at Loretta, tell us kind of your price range and your size and what you're looking for. So from there, we are going to hand select pieces that we know you are going to love that's specific to you. So once we have your pretty little package all wrapped up and taken care of, then what you want to do is just call Loretta, show up, hang out in our parking lot, and we are going to bring you your package curbside. So you don't even have to get out of your car, it's safe, and you get your hands on new fashion. So what we do from there is you have up to 5 days to keep the pieces, try them on, play with them at home, and try them on with your other pieces to see if they really work for you. So then you keep the pieces that you love, and whatever doesn't work for you, you just bring it back to Loretta, and kind of the same thing. You call us at the store and we will come out and take whatever pieces didn't work for you. So it's super easy. It's a really fun way to still get your shopping in during this time. So I hope you girls really love that idea. We are so excited to share it with you. Until then, stay safe, enjoy your family, get outside. The weather's been so beautiful, and we cannot wait to see you girls again. Goodbye.